Hi guys, it's me, Caitlin, and we have Connor, and today we're going to be trying this, my friend Kara's. You might have saw in our last video where we tried the weird food combination. So she has our new sauce out on Amazon. In the description is the link that you can find it. It's called Kara's Chimi Chimi sauce. We never tried it. And it says best on steaks, chips, and sandwiches, and we're excited to try it because we never tried it, and it's organic, and yeah, so let's try it.
It's good or not?
Oh, I got it. Nope.
Yep. Oh. Can it smell? Oh, it smells good, pretty good.
So this is what it looks like. Looks delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna be trying it. So we're gonna start eating our chips, but later there's gonna be chicken coming out. Let's start. Really good. That's good.
Tastes even better with the chips. Really
good.
sweet. Healthy.
It's organic, so that's good too.
Is this healthy?
Organic.
Can we use it as a replacement of fries and mustard? Good. Sorry, I just hit you. Y'all. Okay.
So this is Kara's Chimi Chimi sauce.
So it says here that it's organic, perishable, keep refrigerated. It's original Chimi Chimi, the new way to chimi chimichurri.
It's organic, which I love because it's good.
Great
and
as
it's
a
healthy.
sauce, dip, or spread. Best on steaks, chips, and sandwiches.
So good. So now we're gonna be trying this Chimi Chimi sauce with some fresh made chicken just now.
Yay!
So we just put some Chimi Chimi sauce on the plate, and now we're just gonna dip our chicken in. Try it without the chips. It's so good. The sauce kicks you back here. Also,
Oh, it does. So it's the same. Okay.
Oh, good lie. I throw it over there. That was delicious. Once again, you can order this in the link in my description on Amazon. It's very delicious. Don't forget to share this video with anyone so Kara can gain more buyers to buy her sauce because it's delicious. So yeah, please like and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to share it to see more fun videos like these, giving shout outs and all that, and bye.